Well, here we go. First time in the water with the boat since we got her done. Painted, that is. And we're going to have fun today vlogging in St. Joe, Michigan. I'm down in the Great Lakes States. That girl right there is my wife. I know, she was drunk when she married me, but she stayed with me.
I was drunk.
And that's my granddaughter, if you can hear. She's in the back, ready for going for a boat ride.
Your jaws are getting bigger and your teeth are getting farther apart. They're making room for your big teeth.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll be back.
Your teeth are going to fall out and then you're going to get new teeth come in. But they're not all going to fall out at the same time.
No, not all at the same time.
You'll lose one and then you'll lose another. And then new teeth will come in and you'll look funny.
Although if they did come out all at the same time, that'd be one big bank right there with the tooth fairy.
Life vests did you grab?
I grabbed 4. That's how many you're supposed to.
You've got her big one?
No.
I think we do.
Better check right now.
I'm sure it's a big.
You better check right now. If she don't have a life vest, she stays at the marina. Alright, we are in St. Joe, getting ready to back up to here, which is the St. Joe River. And then you go that way to the marinas and Lake Michigan. And we will show you all that later. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz? Cool. Here we go. Alright. That's where we go to the big lake. But we're going to take the river for a little ride down St. Joe River here for a minute. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're having a good time. Nice breeze. Having fun? Alright. And put the console in. Still want to put some plexiglass around the front of the hull. Not splashing. We're not splashing so bad right now. Nice houses on the St. Joe River here. Oh, there's one way up there on top of the hill. Yeah, that would be a lot of steps. I wouldn't like doing that either. Not with my artificial knee. The house with the little white fence. Oh, it is nice. And now we are in the channel where all the marinas are. Yeah. And the seagulls. All kinds of seagulls. And I'm sure any of you boating people out there know all about seagulls.
I got it.
13 of them.
Right. Hello.
Hello.
Mary gave me her ice.
Aw. My wife gave me her ice. Thank you.
Gotcha.
Now there's an apartment I could live in, honey, right there. Have my boat. I need to get a bigger boat. Yeah, more than likely.
Hi, kids.
Hey, babies. Hi.
Well, you gotta watch where you go because they got all sorts of things up in the water.
Yep. And up there is the, well, there's two of them and missed the first one, but that's the drawbridge for the bigger boats. We don't need that. We got a little boat. Oh, those are apartments? I thought it was a hotel.
How did I?
E3. No, walk. The walk boards or whatever they call them. Yeah. Oh, gonna yell. Woo, yeah! You think they heard us, Sarah? Paddle boards, yeah, not walk boards. Oh Lord, sometimes my brain just don't work. In fact, most of the time. Yeah. Looks like they're having a good time. Good exercise. Yeah, looks like the youngster in the back's taking a nap. Already seasick. And right up here is a train track, and it's got a rotor, how do you say that? Rotor revolving okay, revolving track that turns when a train comes through. I do not believe they use it anymore, but they keep it there for the history of the city, St. Joe. And this is also the town where they have the Curious Kids Museum. What's that cost? Or what's that cost? $10 a person. Alrighty.
What's it got in it?
It's all hands-on stuff for kids to do. But we took Kyle in his class here. Why the heck is that supposed to be? A sculpture. Yeah, but
No, you can't never really tell what the hell they are. Anyway, this is the channel going out to the big lake. And up there is the boardwalk. And we will be to the big lake soon. There's the beach.
tell where all the people are.
Yeah. St. Joe Beach. I don't know what the name of it is. I forgot. Sorry. I've never been on it. A little choppy for a small boat, but not too bad. All them sailboats out there having a good time. There's the Coast Guard station right over there. get some waves from this one. Oh lordy, here they come. Hang on to your butt. Got some big ones coming in. Hang on. That was awesome. Yeah, my wife and granddaughter are gonna go walk to the beach and have a little fun on the beach. We're gonna go back out on the water and have a good time. There's our baby. Hey guys. Hi.
Alright, got another. Okay.
Alright. You guys have fun. Love ya. Alright. And they're going back out. They're wanting some food. We don't have no food. I'm sorry. Well, we do, but not in the boat. There's the life right there, buddy. I'd love to have me a house on the big lake. And then a house for winter time in South Florida. Maybe even Key Largo. Oh, that'd be awesome. But I'd want a bigger boat. And there's Mary. Hi, Mary. Law, don't lose your hat. Anyway, we are having ourselves a wonderful time today, and I am really enjoying showing you with our experience, sharing it with you, I guess is what I should say. Not real good at this vlogging yet, but I'll get better, I promise. It's about 80 degrees today. Yeah, it's supposed to get to 80 today. I don't know if it made it.
But the water looks pretty good around this side.
Yeah. Water looked prettier on this side than the other side, Mary said.
Greener.
Yeah. Little turquoise. Oh, I really like that house right there. I'd wanna be the one with all the window. Oh, the hell, they both got all of them. The one with the pointy peak. Yeah. No. Well, they do. The one with the chimney. Well, they both got a chimney. God dang it! Ah! The one with the blue one. I was just say the one with all the porches.
Yeah, because the other one don't have porches.
Right, or the lanais, as we call them here in Hawaii. No, I wish we were in Hawaii. They put in there. And they didn't want to, you know, they couldn't get down, and they didn't want just stairs going down. They'd be too steep. Got another little one over here. Oh, sorry. Do I keep hitting it? Yeah, with that house up there, they got to do something. Or you're right, that house will be tumbling down here to Lake Michigan, and it won't be a pretty sight when it hits the water. They'll be living in that little one down here if they live through it. That's like for a golf cart or something to go up and down there, yeah. Yeah. Got 1 to 2 foot waves out here today. Not too bad. Good little day for the small boat.
I have an apple. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple.
No.
Pineapple pen. Apple pen.
What?
Pineapple pen.
Oh yeah, I have too.
Apple pen.
Yeah. Anyway, we have turned around and now the land is on this side. And Lake Michigan is out here. Well, it's over here too, but open water is over here.
I have a pen.
Mama lost her water jug, but she found it, but there's no water left in it.
I have a pen. I have pineapple.
No,
Pineapple
I'm good.
Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pineapple apple pen.
Got about 1.5 2 mile trip back now.
Pineapple apple pen.
Wow, on the veranda shot.
No. Well, now we are coming in from the big lake. Had a nice 2 mile ride, 4 mile probably total. Ran out of gas right at the mouth, coming back into the channel. I just slipped in a quick gallon to get out of the way.
Pineapple apple pen.
But
Pineapple apple pen.
now we're gonna go meet my wife at the beach.
Tell them you lost your pants.
Yeah, I lost my pants. You took a picture of me and my booty?
I sent it to your wife.
So now I get a shot of these.
I have an apple. Apple pen. I have
Oh
a
boy.
pen. I have pineapple.
What's the story of that
Pineapple
that
pen.
thing right there?
Apple pen.
The bridge,
Pineapple
that's the
pen.
railroad track. When the train has to come across, they turn it, and the train can go across. Now, I don't know if they use the tracks anymore.
Pineapple apple pen.
Huh?
Right there that's taken out, huh?
Yeah. Well,
That's pretty cool.
that turn,
Oh yeah, they've got one of those. I've seen one of those before.
yeah.
It's pretty cool.
The newer drawbridges are that way now, too. All right. Now we can go ahead. Had a good day out here on the water today, and we're gonna call her quits. All right, well, now we are at our friend's marina. I was trying to find their boat in the water. I don't know for sure, but we came, and yeah, I got the boat all back on the trailer. Had a good time though out there in Lake Michigan today. That was awesome. And we had a little lunch right here. Actually, not lunch. This was actually supper. It's like 8:30 at night. Late supper, actually. And now they're over at the pool swimming, and we will be over there in just a minute. Well, here we are. Now we're at the marina pool. They're swimming, having a good time. Not me, don't feel like swimming today. There's my honey and that sweet little child. There she goes! My mama and the new gentleman we just met. Our friend's boat is that one right there. And it's a 66 or 60, I'm not sure. It's from the 60s. It's all wooden boat, beautiful boat. Anyway, I'm Don in the Great Lakes State, and I sure hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and